Hey everyone, it's Kelly from Code Salon, and I'm going to be showing you the ESUM Brow Kit. First up is the Esum P17 Eyebrow Grooming Brush paired with the Pro Detailing Scissors. Brush your brows up and down to reveal unwanted length. When trimming, always keep the scissors parallel to the shape you want to create. Next are the Esum Slant Tip Tweezers. Grab onto the unwanted hairs by the root and remove in the direction of growth. Now for filling in, I'm using the ESUM Brow Defining Pencil in Ebony. Start with gentle pressure, applying hair-length strokes to the brows until you achieve your desired look. These pencils come in blonde, brunette, and ebony. I'm using ebony because I like a really bold brow. Use the spoolie end of your pencil to diffuse and create a natural look. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out our description box below for product details.